Meanwhile, conventional sunny summer day today, but for the first day of school for lacrosse tomorrow, could be a foggy morning waiting for the bus, Greg.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's going to be another repeat of this morning. So some areas could have just low clouds and not too much in the way of fog, and that means your visibility is restricted down to like 1 or a half mile. Other areas, just some low cloud cover. So I think overall lacrosse will probably deal with more low clouds, but that fog issue is still out there. For this evening, there's a small chance of a few sprinkles out there, but otherwise cloud cover will probably begin, and you can see towards the morning, later tonight, you'll start seeing this low clouds begin to form over the area, somewhat like we've had last night and the night. You can see it begin to expand overnight, and then actually get even expansion as we go towards the morning hour too. So this is what we're going to see. A lot of areas will see that low clouds or fog. It just depends on location. That'll persist probably through the morning hour. And once again, it's kind of a 4 a.m. to about an 8 a.m. time frame is when this is really the worst, or at least the visibility is the lowest. And as you can see, here's the visibility. Not quite a lot of half-mile ones. I think that'll be more in towards Iowa, maybe further to the east. But overall, we will see that opportunity going through about 7, 8 a.m. to see visibilities maybe down to a half. Most areas will probably be 1 to 2 miles or low clouds, and then it'll begin to once again lift fairly quickly around 9 to 10 a.m. once again like we saw this morning. So we're going to see that. Now I think that'll probably be the last time we'll see at least that widespread of a low cloud or fog issue for the next several days. A little cooler here. Our humidity levels have come down. The dew points have come down today, so we'll probably get more into the low 60s, even a few upper 50s. And tomorrow, basically, we'll have upper 70s, low 80s with the wind turning around to the south-southeast. I think less clouds overall as we go into the afternoon than we've had for today, but all in all, pretty seasonable conditions. Now, the front will be coming through after we see a few clouds here. We're going to keep an eye on the cold front. They'll be approaching Thursday night. Winds will pick up Thursday night, so there's a possibility some mist or maybe some low clouds in some areas, I think. But overall, here comes the front that'll be approaching sometime Friday. So Friday morning's commute looks to be just cloudy with maybe a few showers, but I think most of that activity will fall apart yet. The front's going to take some time to get through the area, so most of the day is cloud cover, less an opportunity for some showers. But there is an opportunity along this front later on to see maybe some thunderstorms developing. Right now, it's kind of pinging the area further north as it comes through pretty much Friday evening, but there's an opportunity we might see some stronger storms too if they do develop, and there's that possibility for a probable, and that would be damaging winds. Something to keep in mind of for Friday afternoon and evening, but coverage of these storms will be quite low, so a lot of areas will probably not see it. Temperatures Friday overall not too bad, upper 70s, low 80s, but more clouds, and the dew point comes up a little bit too. As we go into Friday into Saturday, it's going to be a little bit different story here. Saturday's lows, upper 50s, low 60s, and then Saturday starts the cool down. Look at those. A 10-degree drop in many areas, upper 60s, low 70s, and breezy too. So that's just the start of the conditions. And there's Sunday, as you look at those temperatures, there's some 50s up in northern Minnesota. So that's what we're going to be looking at. Fall-like conditions, even October-like conditions for the first half of next week with some modification as we go towards the middle of next week too. So all in all, we'll have a few storm showers for Friday. Won't be widespread or anything like that, but keep an eye on the storms in the afternoon, evening, and then, yeah, prepare for some October-like conditions.
All right, sure looks that way. Thanks, Greg.